What a beautiful day today. Oh, hey, Ryan, Emma, how are you today? You picked the perfect day to go out.
We're perfect. Good morning, Jake.
Hi, the weather feels amazing today.
We're finally going to Starfield Library today.
We've wanted to visit that place for a long time.
You can just take Subway Line 2, and trust me, you won't regret going there.
Now I'm even more excited.
Let's go before it gets crowded.
Have fun! The Starfield Library is really amazing. I'm sure you'll love it there.
Oh, the weather's so nice today. Should we go out too? Let's go play at the dog park.
There are so many signs everywhere.
Yes, but they are actually very helpful.
Which line do we need to take today?
We need to take line 2, the green line.
Wait, I see. Many green colors here.
Look closely. Follow the circle line.
Oh my god, this subway map looks very complicated.
It looks hard, but it gets easier.
Are we going to Gangnam Station first?
No, we should go to Samseong Station.
Where do I tap my transportation card?
Just tap it on the machine and walk through.
I told you it would work. Let's go.
Wow, that was very quick and easy.
Seoul subway system is very efficient.
I feel like a local person already.
You just tapped a card, Ryan.
Should we go down these stairs now?
Yes, the platform is downstairs.
I really hope we don't get lost today. This station feels like a maze.
We will probably get lost at least once, but honestly, that's part of the adventure.
Wow, the inside of this subway is unbelievably clean.
I know, it feels cleaner than some airports.
And everyone is so quiet. I can barely hear people talking.
People usually keep their voices low on Korean subways.
Then maybe we should whisper too?
Not whispering, just subway mode.
Everyone is looking at their phones. Nobody is even making eye contact.
Welcome to Seoul. Phones are basically a survival tool here.
That guy is watching baseball.
And that woman is watching a K-drama with subtitles.
Oh, look at those pink seats.
Those are priority seats for pregnant passengers.
People actually leave them empty.
Yeah, Korean people respect the rule pretty seriously.
And those seats over there are for elderly passengers too, right?
Exactly. Korean subway etiquette is kind of a big deal.
This stop is Samseong Station. The doors will open on the right.
Wait, Korean, English, Japanese, and Chinese?
Yeah, international mode activated.
Wait, are they filming a movie or something?
Nope. Welcome to Korean subway villains.
Wow, Korea is seriously dynamic.
Yeah, dynamic Korea never sleeps.
Wait, did we just miss Samseong Station?
Oh my god, the villains distracted us.
Okay, we can't miss it this time. Let's stay sharp.
Of course, no hesitation this time. Don't miss it again.
I think Korean subways might be one of the best parts of Seoul.
That's the authentic Seoul experience.
See, I'm getting the hang of Seoul Way faster than I expected.
Wow, look at you. Basically a local already.
Whoa, everyone's moving in different directions, so fast.
Welcome to Seoul Rush Hour Flow. Just keep walking and follow the crowd.
I feel like I'm in a subway marathon.
Don't stop. In the middle. Traffic forms instantly.
Okay, got it. Keep walking. No stopping.
Good job. You're adapting to Seoul already.
Wait, which exit goes to COEX Mall?
Let's follow the signs first.
Oh my god, there are so many exits again.
Yeah, welcome to Seoul subway life.
I see exit 5 and exit 6. Which one?
Exit 6 should be right.
Honestly, the subway signs are easier than I expected.
That's why tourists love this subway system.
I thought this would be way more confusing.
You actually did pretty well today.
Wait, was that a compliment?
Don't get used to it. I'm only being nice because you survived the subway gates today. Welcome to Gangnam.
Look at that! Everything looks so modern and shiny.
Wait, is that the COEX building?
Yep, that huge one right there.
Okay, now I'm really excited.
Trust me, the real adventure starts now.
No way! This place is huge! It feels like an airport, shopping mall, and movie set combined.
Welcome to COEX. Korea doesn't do small very often.
The mall is so clean. Even the floors are shinier than my future.
That escalated quickly.
I like how everything feels connected. Shopping, cafes, bookstores.
Yeah, you can basically live here for a weekend.
Wait, is that a library inside the mall?
Korea believes reading and shopping can coexist peacefully.
I just saw an aquarium sign too. Why is there an aquarium here?
Because Korea likes putting everything in one building.
Isn't this place just beautiful? It's so calming. I love it here.
Shopping, books, coffee, fish. This place makes 0 sense.
And somehow it still works perfectly.
Oh, they even have a cozy seating area over there. Let's sit down for a bit.
Good idea. A little break sounds perfect right now.
Honestly, I could stay here all day.
That's how it starts.
Now, I get why people love Korean mall culture.
It's not just shopping. It's basically an indoor lifestyle city. All right, shall we go check out the Starfield Library now?
Wait, this is a library? It feels more like a futuristic museum inside a movie set.
Welcome to Seoul. Places here love being dramatic.
Wow, those shelves are insanely huge. They almost touch the ceiling.
And people still somehow find the exact book they want.
Wait, this place is free too? No entrance fee at all?
Yep. People come here to read, relax, study, take photos, whatever they want.
People are reading, dating, drinking coffee. Everyone's doing something different.
That's the fun part. Nobody feels out of place here.
Seoul feels futuristic sometimes. Even the public spaces feel designed like art.
Korea takes public space design pretty seriously.
Why is everyone taking photos before they even start reading?
Because this place is famous online too. Half the visitors come for the aesthetic.
How do I look smarter in this picture?
Maybe. Start by opening the book first.
This is my deep thinker pose.
This might be the calmest place in the whole mall. I kind of don't want to leave yet.
Good. That means Seoul is starting to grow on you.
First the subway, now this. Korea just keeps surprising me.
And we're still not done exploring yet.
Okay, today was honestly amazing.
And you survived without getting completely lost.
Gangnam feels so modern at night. It almost looks futuristic.
Especially around COEX.
COEX Mall was insane. Shopping, cafes, an aquarium, and a library in one place.
Korea doesn't really do small scale.
Honestly, the library was my favorite part. It felt special but relaxing.
That's why people keep coming back there.
The sky is beautiful tonight.
Yes, it really is.
Seoul, we're definitely coming back.
This was just the beginning.